Just have a look once my schedule. Morning. So tomorrow what work you have? If any person is going to ask, Array until 9:30, full busy ra, like automatically that word by default will come or not from my mouth. Yes, friends, because I have the direction, I have the work. Morning, wake up and then get ready and then coming to the class. And then I require to take life skills class. I require to prepare for the session and then take the session. Okay, like so I have the work automatically. Do you know? So I have some purpose. Once I wake up, immediately, today what I require to do, no such type of thing. Steps are going to do automatically. Yes, get ready. Wake up, get ready. Spend some time in the preparation. And then, so bath, puja, and then save the money. Okay, saving. So yesterday onwards, I kept another box. Do you know that box is, of course, I did online already started in the last week only, last week or 10 days before. 10% separated for savings come investments. Next 5% separated for debt principal clearance. My accountant already started doing. But actually that 5% I record increase to 20%. Next, every day 2,500 rupees for savings. At least 500 rupees for debts principal amount clearance. So that my debts automatically is going to be clear if I continue this process. Systems. Okay. So if you want a benefit compulsory, start doing actions. If you are not taking actions, then nothing will be changed in your life. Nothing will be changed in your success. Nothing will be changed in your growth. Getting right. So the remaining people also start taking some action. Action is the most important thing. At least 2 minutes action. Impossible to fail, man. Impossible to fail. Just write one action item, smallest action item, complete that action item, and happily you can sleep. So do that. Otherwise, there is no use of doing the things. Getting the point?